I made this welder cart about 25 years ago out of a Harbor Freight gardening seat. You could roll along and do weeding, but it doesn't turn. Today I'm going to turn it from this to this. Got a Lincoln welder on it now, and it can steer. Pretty cool, huh? Hey, happy Sunday, how we doing? Hey, let's get this cart torn apart and modify it so it can turn, and I have a Lincoln welder I'm going to be replacing that Marquette with. So let's get to cutting. Here's that welder. I bought it used from a guy that barely even welded at all with it. That's the original roll of wire. I'm going to be changing out that wire because I'm going to run gas. The regulator's never even been plugged in. One of the problems of putting it on that cart is this door opens sideways. See the distance? So I have to cut this bar off and lower it so that door can swing open. And then I got to cut the bottom of it off here to get rid of those wheels. So I bought 2 heavy-duty casters rated at 600 pounds apiece. 600 pounds. They don't need to be 600 pounds, but what the hell. I also went to the steel yard and bought a piece of scrap to bolt them to. Now I know I could weld them on there, but I'd rather bolt them with these. Yes, I did spend a couple of minutes looking for those on the ground. Okay, I'm going to cut this to 15 3/4. This blade's really worn out and it doesn't make it to the bottom anymore. I had to double cut. I'm going to go deburr this edge and all the other edges. Be right back. Okay, there we go. I just kind of knocked the corners down so when I run into it I won't bleed as much. Now I got to drill some holes. So I'm going to set the caster on here. Hold it to the edge. And I got a transfer punch. You should get yourself a set of these. They're pretty nice. And I'm just going to approximate the center, right about there, and make a mark. There you go, I marked all 8 of them. Okay, let's drill it. A little oil in there. Went ahead and drilled them all 3/8. We got 1 to go. Okay, I want to make a couple gussets. I screwed this back so I'm on the center of the blade and hopefully it'll go all the way through. Yeah, put something under it. So this is ready. I ended up cutting this gusset by hand. It didn't like the width of that cut, so I did it with a cut-off wheel. I had to put holes in them, you know, be more aerodynamic if we're going down the freeway. Okay, now I'm going to cut this bar up so that door will swing open. Just clean that up a little bit. I left that piece because the 3/4 is going to sit right against it. So that should be the height. I'm going to cut this other one off too because it's going to look crooked and stupid. I made a mark right here where I'm going to cut it. Let me show you how I did that. So I have this 90-degree magnet that's sitting on the caster. I've just got the plate on top of the caster and I just made a mark. Simple. I just took a break for a minute. Oh no! God, I go sit down for 5 minutes and somebody stole my wheels. This came out pretty flat for playing Ring Around the Rosie with them. Let me get rid of that paint so I can weld it. Okay, I ran it through the jet spray, got all the dust off of it. Okay, so this plate is level-ish. See, it's to the left. The table's a little bit crooked, I guess. And then I put it up here, and this bar is a little to the left. And it's not a piano. So that's the flash warning, you guys. If it bothers you, pause it or do something fast forward. Run and hide. And for those of you that have children and animals, make sure they don't watch, because a dog, he'll watch you weld, he'll go blind, and same with your children. So here we go. Okay, I got the bottom all welded up. I just tacked on these top rails. It's getting late. Let me get it all welded up and get the card on it, and we'll go for a test drive. There you go, it's all done. You didn't think I was gonna paint it, did you? You know, it didn't need them gussets. I just put them on there for the heck of it. And it steers now. We go wherever we want in the shop. Someday I'm gonna put maybe a hook on here to hang this. We've always just looped it on there, it works all right. But I was thinking just now to just make a little hoopty, you know, like my other welder. Bear says he wants to go home. Bear, you want to go home? Hey, Bear! Want to go home? You do? So I already said goodbye about a half hour ago. Here it is. There you go. Now that thing will steer around. Came out great, didn't it? Well, it almost did. I'm waiting for the paint to dry. Thought I'd say goodbye while I'm waiting. Well, thanks for coming along, you guys. Hope you enjoyed your Sunday and your weekend. And you guys got to get your butts to work tomorrow because I'll be back in here doing something else. I got some Subaru heads I think I'll surface in the morning for you. All right, until then, you guys have a nice night and be nice to each other. Bye.